Yes. Attacking it. The mob justice.
Hello, welcome to today's AS Mob. We'll be discussing.
Sikike poa aje. Ile zile
Oh,
nini
I
zifanye
think-
unaiona?
I think
Eh?
I'm muted.
Hapana. Unasikika katikati.
Ushaanza kurekodi hapo unajiangalia.
Ashaanza. Oh.
So welcome to today's mob.
Uko na shimo mbili na ujui kutumia.
I think ni hivyo vile nilikuwa nimeweka. So welcome to today's but iko sawa.
Hapo iko sawa.
So it was like this.
Hapa hawezi sikia.
Okay. So today we'll be discussing replacing contents of a string. No substitute. Yeah, and before we discuss, we'll randomize to see who will take us through. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, so give me your numbers. 2. Okay. Sorry about your name. I don't know. Bonnie, give me your 2 numbers. No, between 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Between 0 and 7. 7. 2 and 3. Like this. Kevin, 0, 5. Me. 3 and 6. Malcolm. No. Oh, so which number is
Another variable missing.
okay?
It was a variable
So-
missing with
Bye.
5 and 8. Yeah, all numbers are taken except we have 1.
Now I'll take. No, 6 and 7. 6 and 7.
No, 6 is taken. Oh, yeah, you can use 6 and 7.
7. Okay. So let us randomize. We'll use math. Dot flow again. Math. Times 8.
So 8 characters plus 1.
No. Plus.
Plus 1. Then that is
Plus 1.
Oh, zero.
And you
is-
want
oh, so
zero.
it's okay. It's
Yeah. So the first one is 3. 4.
okay. Hey, randomizing. Really want to-
3. Bonnie.
Oh,
Bonnie, you'll take us through.
okay, let's see the next one. Let's see the next one.
3 again.
Okay,
No.
next one.
7.
Yeah.
Oh no. 5. It's you.
It's me. Sir.
No,
Why,
no.
Why are,
One last one. 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 0. Kevin.
Okay. Oh. Dun 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 dun. Okay, so we were in string methods. Where? Huh? Okay, let me recap this one, the one we did last time. Hey. Okay. Okay. Yeah. The font. Hey, 100. So we were okay. Let me recap the one for I replace. Initially we did substring and the substring and replace string methods. Yeah. Okay. So we saw that if you have a string Boniface and its value is, we have that, and I want to replace, for example, which one can I replace, Bonnie? Assuming this oh be with okay. So assuming now I want to replace, yeah, in Boniface. So in the Boniface string I want to replace. So usually, so I want to replace the. I want to replace the with there. Our new value of Boniface. Oh, it has not overridden it, but calling the, if we maybe assigned it to a variable like new value. Yeah. Then if we now we look at new val, new val. Yeah. So we have replaced the content of the boneface variable with specifically the, with the there. So we use the replace method. So how about if we had okay, let's have a variable crafty. Yeah, and this time say it's case sensitive, but it has a mixture of case. So assuming now we want to replace, if we try, okay, if we try doing crafty, let's replace. Oh, I haven't, wait. So assuming I want to replace crafty with probably craftitude. Now what will happen at this point, Misa?
I don't think anything will happen because the crafty that you want to replace, it's not the same as the crafty in the string. It's different. The first crafty is capital K and R, while the second one, everything is lowercase.
Okay.
So, what this method will do at this instance is the method will look for crafty, but in the crafty string, crafty is not written the same. It's uppercase K, uppercase R, so it will not match. Therefore, I think nothing will be replaced. I will still have I am crafty the same way.
So
because crafty has a capital R.
K and R, yeah.
So at this point, what will be our
Our output will be -1. I'm not sure.
yes,
The output will be undefined. But, yeah, as in the value will be undefined, but we won't have a replaced value.
Now, what will be the return value of them? Undefined.
Yeah.
If you don't find anything to replace, what do you return?
It will just return the same
Initial.
not negative one.
Why not an empty string?
An empty string.
Because I have nothing to replace. What if it has something to replace? What happens?
It replaces. If it has
replaces
nothing,
and returns nothing.
yeah.
So if it
If
finds
it has nothing to replace, it means what you want to replace is not there. It will just.
But in this case,
in this
It doesn't
case,
replace anything.
but if we go back, when it had something to replace,
yeah,
It
it
replaces.
replaced and
and
returns
returns
nothing.
Yeah.
So in this case, it has nothing to replace.
It has
What
not.
will it return?
It will return nothing.
and
the value.
This is the point we did the replacing, yeah, and it returned our new string after replacing the with.
Oh,
Yeah.
it returns a new string.
Yeah, but at this point, this is not a. Oh, you are looking at this one.
Yeah.
Notice this one.
The new value.
Yeah,
Also, it
this
will
one.
return undefined.
I think it will return undefined.
Undefined.
Yeah. But if we assign it a
Yeah.
value, it will return the string itself without it being replaced. The one with mixed cases.
So you are saying undefined.
Yeah, I'm saying undefined.
Lisa, you are saying.
I am torn between -1 and
Yes.
the original string.
I can't even hear you.
I am torn between -1 and the original string.
Okay, I'm going to for original string.
With the mixed case.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, boy. if we find
to
something to
discuss
replace it.
dynamically, but yeah.
The initial.
Yeah, okay.
Can you zoom?
Oh, this point here.
We cannot go back.
Oh,
You can
it's not
hide
clear?
hide the users.
Oh, yeah.
These are the basic ones. But yeah,
No.
I just didn't make it.
Okay. So, Sig was saying undefined. Justifiers answer.
It has nothing. Okay, there are two options.
Uh-huh.
Not two options. I'm trying to replace something
Acheni kuangalia nenda. Acheni kuangalia huko. Haya, funika basi kama wana. If I'm trying to replace that, am I unmuted?
No,
You've muted.
I've unmuted.
Okay. If I'm trying to replace something and I didn't find it, I need a way. Negative one was.
Can you hear me?
Ama umemute.
I unmuted, but you can't find.
So nasikika?
Yeah.
Nasikika?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So nasema, if I'm trying to replace something and I can't find it, there must just be a way. I don't think I'm defining the best way of telling someone that what I was trying to do never happened. Okay, so maybe an empty string.
Why an empty string?
Just because I didn't find anything, just take this empty string. I don't know.
But again, when you want to replace something, obviously the thing you want to replace is what should be displayed to just tell that, hey, you didn't succeed in replacing what you wanted to replace.
Yeah, but I think that JavaScript is dumb enough to just give you back what was never replaced. So if you tell it to replace crafty, and it never found crafty, it will just bring you back crafty.
Yeah.
It will just bring you back the original string, in my opinion.
Yeah. So actually, it brought the original.
Yeah, it will not really tell you that something went wrong.
So it doesn't have the errors like Ruby.
Okay. So, but our main aim. Have you muted? Okay. So, assuming, yes, we have seen that crafty has a mixture of cases, but we want to replace it anyway. Yeah? So, in this case, you'll pass the I flag for insensitive. Yeah. So, there was an example here that if you want to replace sensitive, use the regular expression with then you pass that flag. Yeah, where have I gone? What? Where am I going, boy? Yeah. So, let's see. The value of crafty. Value of crafty is that. But you want to replace. Are you really saying? Okay. So I want to replace crafty. But being that crafty is a mixture of, so I want to replace it no matter the case. So I'll pass crafty. Yeah. With the I flag, yeah. Comma with what I want to pass, which is yeah, craftitude. Which one? Craft. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, thank you for that. So, bam. What? Oh, there was a K, but it was okay. Yeah, so you can notice that now it has replaced it. Yeah. So yeah. So notice at this point we have replaced crafty. No matter being that yes, it was a mixture of cases, but now passing the I flag to it. So we'll replace, yeah. Have you seen it? Oh, this was when it was KK here. Then I just fixed it with, yes, Misa.
In the example given in
Mhm.
W3 school,
Yeah.
Microsoft
Yeah.
is uppercase,
Yeah.
all of it. So when do you choose, or does having uppercase with the I flag
Okay.
different from having
Lowercase.
lowercase with the
Okay.
I flag?
There's one way to find out. Let me clear the screen. Our value for crafty was this. This is the initial one. And this is what we did previously, yeah? Which we saw that it was replacing it. So crafty is still that because it has not like overridden. It has not mutated. This time round, let's do with the caps, yeah? So Misa is asking that if you pass now here crafty, what will happen? This way, yeah? Okay, any guesses? Bonnie? Okay, so yeah, we have our crafty variable, which is this. But we saw that if you just do crafty.replace without passing this regular expression, it won't actually replace it. It will return this initial one, yeah? But we saw that if you want to replace our character, ignoring the its case, then you pass the I flag. Then it will replace it. So Misa was asking now, what happens when notice here it is in lowercase form, yeah? Our crafty. So Misa is asking what happens now when we pass an uppercase. Yeah. So you're expecting crafted it. Okay. Yeah, yeah, I'm expecting that too because with the regular expression we're ignoring any case. So it ignores the case, so no matter what you pass as the regular expression, it ignores the case. So we can even actually, yeah.
We're using the quotation mark.
Have you unmuted? Oh, then continue, yeah.
We need more microphones. You have that.
Okay.
Okay, so what I'm saying is that it's going to. Okay, I was giving like an example whereby when you want to write, for instance, okay, get is, and you're trying to close and open, the quotations. Sometimes, when you don't have the regular expression, for instance, that yeah, the forward slash, it will bring an error because it will think either you've closed it or opened, a new string. So the regular expression generally tells the system, the code, that hey man, this is what is happening. This guy, this is just quotation mark within this code. It's not a new string being generated.
Okay, so So we saw that this will replace it. So let's now again try with a mixture. Yes.
Is original string mutated?
No, it doesn't. Okay.
So if you want to use it, you have to reassign.
Yeah.
Basically.
Yeah.
So now let's have a mixture. A mixture of cases. Yeah. So this is this.
I think it will replace. So we get
Oh, yeah.
There, it's practically.
There we go. So, okay, so that's replacing with ignoring the case. Yeah. Okay, so there is another. You want to replace? Okay. Let me use. Let me have another variable.
So where is it always being used? For instance, have you ever a question? Have you ever experienced, or rather, where it's being used?
Yes.
Or where do you think it would be used?
Which one?
When you are ignoring the
Case.
the cases, yeah.
A
Typical example.
A typical example probably can be. Assuming I have can I have maybe I have a name or a paragraph? No, that's not a good one.
Okay, so you know where? I know where.
Yes.
Generally, when you write, when you type your email,
Oh yeah.
the email, you can do it uppercase or
caps,
lowercase, but it will still go to the right person.
Oh.
So basically, I think they always employ the user that to use.
Oh, thank.
Uppercase.
It will still.
It will still go. Yeah.
What do you think? If you take the first letter?
Yeah, it will still. Yeah. You can try. You can always try.
It's the same characters.
Our teacher was cheating us.
Yes, he was cheating.
What did he or she say?
Because those are common mistakes that people make.
Oh.
You should say that your email should always be in letters. Don't capitalize it.
They're just trying to make it know. Is she the same person who told you to use caps?
Yes. Yes.
Oh. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. So, so what happens with the replace? Actually, it only replaces the first match. It only replaces the first match. So let's test that. I have a variable Mise. I want to replace Mise with Lucy. Yeah. So I have a variable Mise. So that's the value of Mise. So I want to replace. Ndio tumeanza sasa ya leo. Si tulifanya hatukufanya G. Okay, so we want to replace Mise. Oh, actually, it's just we want to replace Mise with Lucy. But according to replace only replaces the first match. So in this case, we have Mise twice, yeah. So we are expecting only the first match, which is after golden. We're expecting the golden Lucy Mise, because it only replaces the first match. as you can see, yeah. But our main aim was to replace any match we find that was missing. So that's where now the G flag comes in. Yes. Can you unmute, please?
Okay, so I'm looking at that method.
Yeah.
Mise replace.
Yeah.
It takes two. How do you call that? The Mise and Lucy.
So it takes. This is what you want to replace it.
That is
What you want to
replace.
replace,
Mhm.
and what you want to replace
With.
this with. Yeah, you want to replace this
Mise
with
with
Lucy. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so but replace alone replaces the first one. So if you want to replace now the second one, you use now the regular expression, but this time with a G flag, like that.
So to tell you that you only want to replace Lucy.
So this means everywhere. So as long as it's like a paragraph, and because if you had a paragraph and you want to replace missing, if you did the first bit, it will only replace the first match. The others will just be missing. But your main aim was to replace also the others with the Lucy. So here, this now the G flag for a global match. So we have a global match. The I was for insensitive. G is for global.
So insensitive, like it ignores the case.
Yeah.
Then global match. So
Yeah.
it's like it's
global.
looks at the entire.
Yeah. So notice here now we have the output and the golden solution. Okay, that's the global match. Yeah. So next step is converting up and lowercase. So we have to uppercase method. We have a to uppercase method that we can uppercase. So if I have I have a variable A. Let me call it JavaScript. Really though. So I want to uppercase this. Upper. Yeah, so we want to. So a string is converted to uppercase with this. So will the output be? What will be the output?
I expect the whole word,
The whole world.
the whole word
Yes.
to be capitalized.
Oh,
Yes.
uppercase. Okay.
There is usually
There is is it capitalized?
Yeah.
Capitalized. Okay, that's just now.
Capitalizing is making the first letter of each word in a sentence to be capital, to be uppercase. So it's like title case.
Oh yeah.
Yes. In title case, every
What do you mean? Oh, it's like
the first word. Yeah. But in title case, not
the
everything.
first
The first letter of each word.
should be
Heading case, no.
oh,
It's title.
like this one is a title case. Converting to uppercase.
Yes.
You can see C is capital there, U, L, C. So this is the title case. Ati? Oh, you needed two and oh, you needed two and also two and I'm like oh, so they are not. Okay. Okay. So this one will uppercase everything.
Yes.
And if we have another variable b, let me see. And we want to, oh, that's uppercase. There is lowercase. Lower. Yeah. Oh, there's a lowercase, so we're expecting only a small. What? Oh, there should be a 2. Oh, there should be there should be a capital. Yeah. Okay. So that's okay. There is also a concat method. So yes,
Well, you're still on changing cases. Is
yes.
there a swap case in JavaScript? Like, if a word is a
Oh,
mixture of uppercase and lowercase, you now do the inverse.
so if I have
Now, for example, like that string, now the M to be small, I to be capital, S small, not small, lowercase.
I can always Google. Ah. At the M dot swap.
And yes, cool.
Hey, I said that to swap. No.
Hopefully.
So opening one also yes.
You're hanging all my things on the web.
Oh
Yes.
yeah. Mm. Hey. It's a method. It's a function will be defined. Why did the JavaScript merge this request? This is already a merge request because this guy created. Yeah, it's because this checks if letters. If you have to lowercase, then you should uppercase it, and if it's uppercase, then you lowercase it. What is JavaScript waiting?
We merge it for them, and then they pay.
Oh, so it's not there. But if you want to do that, probably you have to define a function which checks if that word is already.
That's slow.
Oh, you will be looping through because swap case involves you are looping through a word from the first character to the last. You're checking if the first character is in lowercase, yeah, then you capitalize it. Yeah. If it's not, you lock. Yeah. Yeah.
You can write that again. Then you replace it. Not replace it.
Yeah. Okay. So, we have now the cut method. So, assuming I have a variable which is hello, then I have another variable name. Hey. Man. So I want to concatenate. I can. Oh, the first way is usually to do read plus name. Will this work?
I think so.
Crafty? Eh?
I know.
What is the output of this?
It will print hello Lucy. joined.
Okay, yeah. No, no spaces. Yeah. Okay. So, but I want to let me do a grid dot. This is the same as receiving this card. You can pass it. I can just pass name actually like that. This will like. This is the same thing as what I've done up, yeah. But probably if you want to add like a space, so it's like if you want to, because a space is part of what you're concatenating to grid.
Yeah.
So it's like I can do this. So then a space there, I'm expecting a space now. What about if I add another, like this time it's missing? Yeah. What are you expecting?
Hello.
Yeah, so you have seen the logic. It's like take everything that is here, then add it to
What if
concatenate it to grid. Yes.
you left the space
Yes.
for name, but without the double quote?
Oh, so what happens if I left this space?
But without the double quote.
Yeah, so this grid is hello, then we are concatenating with.
Yeah. Now
This is like we should have blank and empty. Is this blank string or an empty string? Eh? No.
but this is an empty string.
So it can be empty, but it has. Oh, this is actually blank.
So if you remove the two quotes,
So
what does that mean?
so two quotes is like
Yes. You just leave the space.
we don't have a value in there. So we have we have an empty string that is blank. We can have an empty string that has spaces. Oh, this is what you're saying. So, what is? So this is. I'm expecting. Okay, I think this will be another because this is just like. This is just like me starting a variable with a comma. This is the same as me creating a variable starting with a space, then comma.
What if you remove the comma?
So in this case, I'm expecting a variable because if you, the moment you put a comma, it is expecting something. You can't start with a comma. Yeah. So the way execution will go, yeah, it will be skipping the spaces, waiting for it to start with something. Then it will first start with a comma. So I'm expecting what error will be an exception or something. Okay, let's see. Did I enter? What? Oh yes, syntax. It's a syntax error, unexpected token.
What if you remove the comma?
So if I remove the comma, laptop. Like that. Or with the spaces.
With space.
It will just print. It will just print. It will assume the moment you have a bracket, JavaScript will just continue searching for the class. The moment it reaches there, then it starts execution. So at this point, I'm expecting it's a hello, miss. Hello. Oh, name was yeah. Hello, Lucy. Yeah. Okay, so that's my card. Okay, so Oh, guys. Yeah.
And how about if you want to,
I'm a leader expert.
if you want to concatenate, for instance, this is concatenating into strings, right?
Yeah.
If you want to concatenate, concatenation is mostly into strings. This one, it cannot be a subset of string.
Yeah, actually, we have tried 3 here. Yeah, we tried 3. Like you see, we have an empty string. This one. This one.
Especially the concatenated strings.
So, oh, you're asking that?
How about 3?
Oh, we have the 3 characters. Oh, so okay. So, let me clear my screen.
Space,
So,
space, what space?
okay. So, assuming, let me just do
And then you can also do, okay, can you also do 1 plus 1, what do you do? The answer, we concatenate one string.
okay. So, okay. Let me do variable. Let me just call it. Okay.
No.
Right. Oh, already have
How do we withdraw 200 volts from the circuit?
we have an X, which is just I. Then another one.
The circuit. Then in a file it
Oh, is
200. So I expect that if I call subject and give it 200, subject will
Then we got X equals to
X.
Yeah.
Another X or
What's X?
Z equals contrast.
Z plus. Z plus.
Oh, this is
Because Z plus equal to 3.
So,
so you're saying plus equal 3. You're saying this.
3 plus 4. Let's do something, all 3 equal. Then, yes.
irudisha amount of
Like that.
Yes, I withdraw
Okay.
amount.
So this is like Z.
If Z the value
And just like that.
Yeah, I have to give a Z a value. Oh. Then
I expect that.
So Z
200
plus
gives me back.
equal to maybe 15.
So the next part.
15.
I think
So this is 50.
the next section will
Oh, your main aim was concatenating.
Yeah.
the next
Let me create another string. The last one maybe Q. So let me just call it confess. So now I want to concatenate X first time. Now I want to concat it with which is Y. Yeah. Another one is I am Q.
So by a single
Yeah. Q, which is oh, just like that.
Yeah. This space is no empty.
Oh, with an empty, so an empty string will be like another character. So we'll look like do this,
Empty string.
So we discuss
comma, Q, then probably comma, then another empty string.
Another empty string.
your first type.
Which is an empty string.
Oh, then Z. Then I close, yeah.
And that was the reason.
Okay, so here I'm expecting, concatenating is like take everything that is in here and concatenate with X. So next is I, Y is So I am, there'll be like, there's no space between them.
The logics
Then there'll be a space, Boniface, then another space, 35.
Oh, sorry. Not 50?
Z.
Yeah, I want us to see what happened.
It has not mutated the initial.
Let's see what is it going to take a 50 or 45?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we mutated that.
So the 50 was.
So no matter the, yeah.
Coercion.
Just asking.
Okay.
But if you started with Z, what will happen?
Oh, if I start, there will be no problem. It's a string. The final result is the string plus.
But
Okay,
you remember
let me start with
at
Z
the beginning,
actually.
there was that fact that if you started with an integer and then you concatenate.
Oh, that will happen if I was 1, if X was 1. Okay, we can always try out. Okay, guys, let me first end the broadcast.
Why you ending the broad?
Huh?
Why you ending the broad?
Oh, actually, good trick. Let me try this. You're saying I first start with
Usually
Z.
it happens with numbers,
50,
number strings and number
50. This will be 50 space blah boniface space.
N.
Yeah. So how about if I have now another variable? Let me call it 1. Where? This is 1 like this, yeah. Then in our now concatenation, we start with we are concatenating X. Oh no, not X. It's now
we are concatenating with Z.
Because
one is a string, but it's a number.
Yeah,
It's a string, but it's a number.
a number in a string.
We are concatenating it with the first thing we are concatenating it with is Z, which is also a number, an integer actually. 50. What are you expecting? Now in this case, I'm expecting a 51. It will be, I'm expecting, interesting. I'm expecting a 51 boniface. Yeah.
we are concatenating
One.
So
One.
we
What is
start
one?
with
There is no one there. It is me.
we start with 1.
Oh, one dot. Ah.
For me, I'm expecting 150 AM.
One, which means one. If you, so you are calling from one, so your variable which is there. So you're calling one.
It's
Then you
like,
concatenate to the string.
it's like, the above example, X dot concat. So X is I, right?
Yes.
Today you are getting I 50 boniface. So here I'm expecting 150.
Okay. I'm expecting 51, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Oh, 150. Yes.
Because we are concatenating,
You're calling one.
If it was the other way around, if it was this way, let me say, if it was Z, if it was Z1, yeah, that's what. Now this way it will be 51.
50
Is it
51.
51?
Right, is you already one there? What is what is happening? Okay, yes. So,
Oh, let me just use this one. Now I'm expecting 51.
I'm expecting 51.
51. Yeah. What? Z concat is not. What happened?
Do we have a Z?
No, we don't have it here. Oh, you have to take a funny Z.
Why is it Z?
You know why? That was the calculation up there.
But
Oh,
Z is an is
no,
not.
it's a string.
Oh, I think.
So when you're calling,
Oh, this
You
is
know
an
what?
integer.
yeah, that's an integer.
Yeah.
So
It's like you can't class an integer with a string. So that's why it's throwing the unquote type error.
you concat again.
Try. Crafty, you're saying something? Yeah. Yeah. So it concat.
Sorry. Concat is a string method, so it won't work on that integer. unless we have integer passed in as the argument.
Oh,
And we can do this, we can prove it, what you were saying, 51, by doing it manually.
yeah.
1 plus.
So assuming we had, let me
But-
clear the screen.
I don't think it will work.
This one plus 2.
It gets 12.
This is 12, yeah. Yeah, you're saying it's a 12 string. And if we start with 2,
It will be 22 string.
22.
String.
Oh, let me put it. Oh, it will not be 4.
Okay, do this.
Yes.
Start with 2, the number,
Yeah. Now 2 plus the number.
but it will still give the string.
This is now a 4. This is a 4.
It will give a string.
This is a 4. We want to bet. Why? Hey. Oh.
Okay, let me tell you.
Oh.
The one you're saying won't work on a console, on the browser.
Oh.
But if you are running it on the Node console, open the terminal.
Oh.
No.
Yeah.
It would be 4.
Yeah.
So. Yes. Not to save the day, please.
Do you know we have a meeting today?
Just
Just
So if
do
I
that.
have a 2 plus 1,
It gets 21. String.
if I have now a 2,
1.
Plus string 1.
I get a.
3. I'm hoping. Oh my god.
Okay, guys, thank you. That has been the mob for today. Next up we'll be looking at. This seems this won't end. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Boniface, Miss Crafty, for joining. And that's the mob for today.
Bye.
La prima frase.
The Boniface.
I take control.
Look at this.